How to create new Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create new Gmail account. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. If you open up Gmail here, once you are logged into your account, you'll get an interface like this. However, if you are not logged in, you'll get an option to log in or sign up. All you have to do is simply tap on sign up. Now if you are logged in, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen there, and then what you want to do is tap on add another account. Now once you do this, it will take you to set up email option. Here simply select the option that you want to choose, either Google, Outlook, Yahoo. I'll just select Google here, and once you do it, you can see it's checking for info and it'll ask for verification, and once you verify it, it'll ask you for sign in option. Here you can see. Now here on sign in option at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the create account option. Simply tap on the create account option there, and you can either choose it for personal, select for myself if you want to choose or create a personal Gmail account, or if you want to create a business account Gmail, then you can simply tap on to manage my business. Now I'll just select for myself here, and then what you want to do is type in your first name and surname. Now just type in anything here, your first name and last name here that you want, and then tap on next here, and on next enter your birthday here. Now I'll just select quickly here. Once you do this, tap on next again, and it'll ask you to choose a Gmail address. Now you can either create your own Gmail address by tapping on create your own Gmail address, or you can choose anything that they keep. Now simply tap on next after you do so, and then it'll ask you to choose password. Now simply enter your password that you want, and then tap on next, and here it'll ask you for phone number. You can either skip this process, or you can either go ahead with the process, as it will help you verify your account, and once you do this, your account will be created. So this way you can create new Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.